Hello, so welcome to the continuation of our project, okay, augmented reality project. So, so let me duplicate this close and then bring this one up here. I'm going to call this lysosome, okay, or lyso, and then this close is going to be called endo. Okay, remember the reason why we are renaming them is to help us tag each and every um, close icon to a particular UI so that when I go to the trigger, okay, I'm able to know that this is going to perform this or this particular icon is for this. Okay. So I'm going to pause this and then do same for the others. Hello, so welcome to the continuation of our project, okay, augmented reality project. So still on the close, I'm going to click on this. But one thing you should know, that you would have to group them, okay, because we want to do some hiding and showing so that when I click on this particular UI and then its close icon vanishes. Okay, we don't want to click on this and then this will vanish and then its close icon will be showing. Okay, so we'll need to close group them. So to group them, you can highlight them. Okay, or you can just multi-select by clicking this and then holding on shift and then control G to group. Okay, so remember we duplicated this, so I'm going to move this out and then just group this, Control G, sorry, highlight this and then group. So they are now one, so you can see they are now one object. So let's move this close to the mitochondria, chondrion. So I'm going to send it back. Let's see what we have. Okay, let's bring it back. Let's zoom in, let's zoom out. Okay, then zoom in. So let's select it. Can hold the space bar to help me move it in a different way. Okay, I'm going to bring this here. Okay, so I'm going to take it back a bit. Okay, so this is quite okay. Now I can just group. So uh, first, let me rename this to mito close. Mito. Okay, so that's our mitochondria, the close icon for mitochondria. Okay, so remember, I'll click on this. So let me click on this. Hold Shift and click on this. Control G to group. You can see now we've grouped them. So when I click here, you can see I have my nucleus. Okay, this shouldn't be nucleus. Okay, so I need to change this to mitochondrion. Mitochondrion. Okay, so it's inside. So now let's change the group name to mito, so we know what we are working with. So this is our mito. Then let's work with the lysosome too. So the lysosome, which is this group. So I'm going to change this to lysosome or lyso. So you can see we have our lyso, the close, and then the UI for our lyso. Okay. Then our other group, this group, which is going to be our endo. So let's double click and then change it to endo. Okay, so now I think we are okay with our naming. So let's see which other one to work with here. Okay, so the nucleus, we need to work on our nucleus. Okay, so for the close, let's import a close icon. looks small. I'm going to, sorry, let's undo. So I'm going to enlarge it and bring it here for nucleus. So you can see the reason why you need to rotate your objects or go through every aspect or every corner or view of your UI. Okay, let's bring it back a bit. Then let's take it here. Okay, so you can see the spacing. I think I like this spacing. Okay, so when I click on this, okay, so these are the values used. Okay, so let's see, where is it? I'm going to name it to nucleus. So nucleus, or let's just do new. Okay, and then let's highlight all, and then sorry, let me click this group. Okay, so remember you multi-select using the shift key and then selecting the object you want to group. Then use Ctrl G to group them. So this is going to be the nucleus group. Okay. Now let's see what else we need to work on. I think I'm going to take out the cytoplasm just so we speed up things. I'll, let's see the Golgi apparatus. I'll take out the Golgi apparatus. Okay, since we want to work with the endoplasmic reticulum and then the lysosome. Okay. Okay, so let's see. So I wouldn't want things to be behind this line. Okay, so I'm going to move this forward. So for the nucleus, move forward. And I'm going to bring it here up a bit. Okay, and this, I'm going to enlarge this. So let's go for the scale. Then let's enlarge. So let's enlarge it. Okay, I can move. So I'll click on the move tool, and then I can move the nucleus somewhere here. Let's see what we have. Let's move the mitochondria a bit forward. Then let's move this also forward a bit. Then I'm going to move the deer and then the animal cell forward a bit. So this quite okay. Okay, so in our next lesson we'll learn to fix this onto this and then this one to onto this particular UI. So thank you for watching, and then I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you.